Alright, that's all the carrots. Alright, now we're going to do the potatoes, which is already washed. And you can skin the potatoes if you want, but I kind of like to leave the skins on the potatoes after I wash them, because I like the skins. Alright. Alright. Now these are large potatoes, so cutting them in quarters and then chopping them up bite size. Correct. Let me check the recording. Okay. Alright. Cutting the potato in half. Again, everything was already washed and cleaned. Alright, so we're going to chop the potatoes into quarters and then cutting them into bite-sized pieces. It's easier to fit them in the slow cooker. Alright. And I'll show you everything in there as it gets there. So I'm cutting 4 potatoes, which is more than enough. I think he's turning. Alright. Which is more than enough food for 5 people. Alright. Now here's the last half of the potato. Again, everything was washed in advance. Okay. Alright. That's all we're cutting. Okay. And you see, it fit in here all together. That's my slow cooker. Alright. Now we're going to take it over here. That's everything we're going to do. We're not going to do anything else. We're going to plug it in, and then we're going to put it on, leave it on low. See, this is off, which somebody didn't turn off. So we're going to turn it on low, and plugging it in and turning it on low. So it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Okay. And it'll be done easily by 2 o'clock. So, I'll see you when it's done. Thank you for watching, and as always, the fun never ends in Sea Sparkles Corner. Feel free to share, feel free to subscribe. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. Thank you, everybody. Bye. And there's our Hamilton Beach.